Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Global Magazine Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're diving into another secret website in a series of secret websites where each and every week we talk about amazing new website to make money online, the secret websites where you can sell your work and can make more money. So in today's video, we will going to talk about another amazing website. And so let's dive in. Before go park, consider clicking the like button guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so whenever we upload new videos, you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have a lot of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. You can click on that link, you can download it. You can also subscribe to our email newsletter. It's 100% free. The link is in description box below. Let's talk about today's website, what's new and what's unique about it. And guys, if you haven't checked so far, I have an entire playlist on my channel talking about the various secret websites. I'm gonna leave that entire playlist in the card section above. Make sure you check it out if you're looking forward to sell your work online and making money online. That playlist will really going to help you familiar about the various different websites that I have covered so far. Maybe some of them would be helpful to you, some of them may not be, but again, sites which can help you, so you can check out that playlist. Let's talk about today's secret website. What's secret about it? So before diving into that, let me tell you guys, thank you so much for all the anything and everything that you have purchased from my shop. The Creative Fabrica workbook, Zazzle workbook, the planner, and everything that you have purchased. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for your support. And even if you didn't purchase it and you are watching my videos, you're liking my videos, commenting on my videos, subscribing to my channel, I do appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much guys. I do really appreciate that. This website, what this website is all about. So without further ado, let me introduce you to this website. That is the wearusart.com. What this is website? Let's talk about that, whether it's a print on demand, whether it's a marketplace, whether it's service, what is it? So from studio to home, collaborate with contemporary artists to bring you an exciting curated portfolio of textured art prints. Okay, our unique geometric print process perfectly reflects the artist's original, evoking connection, creativity, and inspiration for your home. So you could see the different artists who are selling their work, their art prints, the discover artists, be inspired by a diverse community of artists, each with a personal journey of creativity and mutual passion for sharing their artwork as limited edition textured prints. Discover prints, Verus Arts. After meeting with the people that works at Verus, I was excited about the journey and love of art. You can see the artists that have been featured on the very first homepage itself. The Danny Wood, Clarice Sauver, the popular prints. You can also go through that stuff. What you can actually sell on this website, like what are the different products and how you gonna sell it. What you can sell on this website, you can sell the different kinds of the art prints that you can sell on this website. So that is the most common product they have on their website. Now let's talk about their story and empowering contemporary artists to make their art work more accessible. Verus Art is using pioneer geometric print technology to create a curated portfolio of limited edition textured art prints. Artists can offer textured prints without compromising on quality or impact, perfect for art lovers who value quality, creativity, and connection. Empowering artists, our artist-centric culture places the artists and their work in the spotlight, ensuring the authenticity of their artistic process is respected and their stories are shared. Designed for artists who work in textured media, our geometric print technology captures an artist's intent in minute detail. Artists can be confident each of their carefully considered brush strokes and color choices shine through with creativity and originality. So that is about that. The textures true to the original. So they have the kind of like a print technology that is called as a geomatic, which is kind of like specialized to their brand. A texture true to the original. Verus Art has pioneered technology to create a new class of textured art prints. So they are focusing on the art prints. So that is the kind of the product they are selling. So geometric print, measuring detail as fine as 1/10 of human hair. Our technology allowing us to replicate both the color and geometry of every brush stroke and detail in an original piece of art. We have carefully curated our portfolio to showcase dynamic artists who incorporate texture and depth into their work, bringing the integrate feel of an artist brushstroke from their studio to your home. Complete with a signed certificate of authenticity, retailers and designers can offer clientele hand-picked works expressing originality and uniqueness. So that is they're describing about the technology, how they actually print that kind of work and what is special about it. So you can read much more detail about it. Then they have the section an interior designer or a forward-thinking retailer. We are actively looking to spark a new relationship and grow our community. Artists who wish to see their impasto brushstrokes replicated into beautiful art prints are welcome to send a simple submission to our curatorial team. Retailers can request to join our wholesale program to access special rates and discover our retail support program. So they also have a wholesale program if you're looking forward to buy the art prints, being a retailer. Submission, like how you're gonna sell your work on this website and can make money online, whether it's a approval based, whether it's free, whether it's paid, or whatever it is. For the artist submission, so one-on-one collaboration with artists is the very core of our business. The combination of your talent and creativity and our ability to accurately capture and reproduce each of your carefully considered brushstrokes bring art lovers a new, authentic, yet accessible art experience. So that's amazing. We are artist-centric and are serious about sharing the stories behind the artwork, fostering the love of art and providing a more meaningful experience for people buying our work outside of galleries. By selling limited edition work at a fair price through carefully selected retail networks, you can reach a broader audience and access a new source of revenue. Our geometric print technology is perfect for showcasing dynamic artists to incorporate texture and depth into their work. Please note that we only work with artists that create physical paintings and not digital artists. So that is a little bit of the side back, guys. If you're creating the digital art world, then this website is not really for you. But if you're someone who creating the physical paintings on a piece of paper, on a piece of canvas, then this is the website you can really look into. As the technology requires that we scan your painting to map the color and geometry of the surface, we actively seeking new artists to collaborate with and welcome our submissions via the form below. Focusing, they have the production facility in Vancouver, Canada. So you need to have your physical paintings, you need to have your physical work so that they can actually use your physical work to create an art print out of it using the geometric printing technology. So if you are a digital artist, then this website is not for you. So this is a little bit side back about this website, that digital artist or a designer who creating the print on demand designs or creating the designs online in the digital world, they can't sell on this website because of the technology. They require only the traditional artists to sell their work. Whereas let's talk about the artist benefits and more detail about filling the form and to getting approval or what kind of stuff look like. Reach new audience through boutique retailers, connect to new collectors by sharing your story, differentiate your offering to a diversity of art lovers and various budgets, generate revenue from every print sold. So you need to provide your artist name, email address, website link, that is the portfolio link if you have one, Instagram and message, and you need to send them in a message. So I think that this is a kind of like a based platform, like you need to send them all these stuffs via the message, and then they're gonna review it. They're gonna see your portfolio, and then they're gonna send you an email regarding whether they like your work or not, or whether they feel your work is kind of like relatable to their platform or not. And then they're gonna take your work and replicate into the art print and selling on their website. So it's kind of like a marketplace for art prints, especially for the contemporary artists who are creating the traditional artwork on a canvas or a piece of paper. If you're a digital artist, then this website is not really for you because of the technology. They don't accept the digital artists. For the print section, because we are excited about their print and what kind of work is more familiar, like whether it's abstract or realistic or what is that. So with true texture and color, each various art print transports the artist's creativity and originality from their studio to your home. Discover your new favorite contemporary artist from within our carefully curated portfolio of geometric limited edition works. So they are featuring the artist. You can see the name of the artist, the subject. Okay, this is the thing that is I'm interested in. That they are allowing the abstract cityscape, a landscape, blue, city skyline, print, contemporary art print, floral landscape, modern landscape. So these are some kind of the subjects of the artwork that you can sell on this website. Also have the museum collections. If someone is looking for purchasing for the museum or something like that, you can very well go and read about that much things in more detail about the museum collections. I'm gonna leave the link of this website in the description box, guys, below. You can very well check it out and you can see whether it fits in your box or not. They also have the FAQs about the prints. What basically this website is that if you're creating your original work onto the piece of paper or onto the canvas, then you can take your original work into their location, into their production facility that is based in Vancouver, Canada. You can take your original work there. Then they're gonna scan it, they're gonna digitize it, and then they're gonna make art prints from that and actually put them on their marketplace for the sales and all that kind of stuff. So this is how this website works. You need to fill a form to get in a kind of like an approval, an email from them, and once it is done, then you need to bring your work, original work, to their Vancouver, Canada, their production facility. There they're gonna scan it, digitize it, make changes to it, and then they're gonna use their technology to create an art print from that and going to list on their marketplace, and then they're gonna pay you according to it. So this is the website. Hopefully today's video will really going to help you getting know more about this website. I'm gonna leave all the links of this website in the description box below. You can very well check it out, guys. Let me know what you think about this website. Are you really interested in selling this website? Have you ever tried to sell on this website or not? Let me know your own experience with this website if you have a one in the comment section below. But thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.